Hey friend, hey, welcome to or welcome back to Stay Calm and Budget. Today we're going to be doing a budget with me for our first paycheck in June. It is a big one, and like I said before, we have a lot of changes, so stick with me. Let's get through this. See you soon. Hey friend, hey, welcome back to Stay Calm and Budget. My name is Shatara, and we are going to be doing our first paycheck in June. If you watched my video explaining some of the changes that are going to be happening, this is the start of it. Since we did refinance, we were able to skip a month, so that money is going to be allocated other ways. And before we get started with this, I want to apologize for my nails. OMG. I actually go this coming Thursday to get these fixed. Yes. So, alrighty. One of the changes that I have been working on is I did get a what is this thing called? I don't even know. It is another planner. This one is from Baddies and Budgets. This is her neutral planner. So what I do is I do paper and I do digital planning. So I use this while I'm doing my budget, and then I come to you guys on Salisa's from Beautifully Me and You. I use hers to bring to you guys, but eventually I will be switching over to digital. It's a little bit easier for me. I just need to work on my penmanship both ways, on this and here on paper. As usual, we're going to bring you guys in. Let me see if I can zoom in on here. Whoa. All right, here we go. So, hope you guys are doing good. It has been a lot going on in the world, in life. I did this in orange, but I want to change the color. Let's do this in blue. Try to be colorful this month in all ways. Happy Pride Month to those that are a part of the community and those that are allies. Love with an open heart for everyone. That's how I go through my life and teach my kids to love people for who they are, not what they are. Okay, enough of that. The house bought in, oh my goodness, you guys are like super close to my hand. The house bought in a total of $6,729.47. A little change here. I put my brother up here instead of adding him into the house, so you can see what he's bringing in. And also, this month we do not have our extra, which is usually $200. We're going to keep that $200 where it is. So this go around, my brother sent me $49, which brings our total. Oh, reliable hasn't changed, y'all. Still here. So we have a total, we have 6,720. I pushed 7 twice. $6,729.47 plus $49 gives us a total income of $6,778.47. As I was writing this out, I don't know why I put 2 N's for panel, so I had to rewrite that. But like I said before, a lot of our debt was rolled into our refinance, so our bills is about that much. And we're able to start. I have never been able, or have, I probably was able but just didn't put 10% of what we bring in into savings to build up our savings, which I'm going to start another savings challenge once I finish some of the ones I got going. But I want to get at least $20,000 in our savings. And yeah, that's what I'm coming for. That is going to be my next big goal, is to get $20,000 in our savings. So this is going to be going towards that. I do have a savings challenge set for that, but for right now, we're just going to put it into our savings envelope. And then once I get that savings challenge up and running, then I'm going to move everything that we have in savings to the savings challenge to get to that $20,000. With that being said, I really don't have to speed you guys up for this. I have my little cheat sheet over here, or my cheat iPad over here. So 10% of what we bought in would have been $672. So $672 is going to go to our savings. Our Duke this go around was $124. Duke is our electric bill. Solar panels stay a constant $291.84. We put $100 to our solar panels. Our lawn costs not $70 but $35. Thinking a month. Kaimana, hers went up to $390. Ooh, $390 is a lot, you guys. But that is for the summer camp. They go on field trips every week. Almost every day they do a field trip, and they eat lunch, breakfast, lunch, and snack. So Orkin, we pay this every 3 months because they come every other month, and then the third month, that's when I pay because we get billed for both services, which is $158.68. Our pool maintenance is $110 a month. And then our cable, it went down, you guys. I'm not complaining. Majority of the bill our HOA pays. And then what I did was I went on there and I had to get a faster internet service because that's when everybody was home. They're doing school, and I was working from home full time. So we had to get some really good service. So that's still not bad with the HOA paying, and all we have to do is pay for this. But I will speed you guys up while I'm calculating this and put the total at the end. So, one moment. Alrighty, so our bills this go round is $1,908.79. So let's write that here. $1,908.79. And then we're going to take over reliable and subtract the 6,778.47, 1908.79, and we're left with $4,869.68. All right, moving on down, our groceries, it is the next quarter, so I'm going to do a grocery haul, and I'm going to use $600 for that. The wife gas, now you know gas is ridiculous. Story time. All right, I drive this big beautiful beast outside. I drive a Yukon Denali, and with that being said, gas prices right now are at $4.75. I was a little below half, literally like the half mark and the needle were still touching. I went to the gas station, filled up. It still cost me $94. I'm like, you know what? Let me bust out this bike. Let me bust out these skates. Let me learn how to ride a skateboard, because my gosh, Pit and Pat, they about to get some work in. That is insane. You know, I love a big car because my kids are tall and we have long legs and they need the room. Like, they're all gazelles. But my goodness, like, anyway, with that being said, let's keep going. I had to up my wife's gas and I upped my gas. Personal stayed the same because we really haven't been doing too much personal. Well, our personal doesn't really account for too much difference in what's going on. So wife's gas, now she gets $250 and she still gets $100 in personal. My gas, I bumped it up to $300 and my personal stays at $100. So we have $600, we have $850, $950, $9, $10, $11, $12, $50, and then that's what, $13.50. So that's a total of $13.50. So I'm gonna take, I didn't erase this, so I'm gonna take the remaining that we have from our bills and subtract it from our cash envelopes. So subtract $13.50, and I have a total of $3,519.68. Now this go around, we won't be budgeting to zero, but whatever's left over will be left in our account to add to our buffer. As you see, we have a lot more sinking funds, and I bought back some. Let's just go over them really quickly. We have HOA, which is a normal one that we stuff. E-Fund, we use a savings challenge, which we'll talk about that when we get there. And I bought back the kiddos and the fur baby. We have Shania, Nadia, Kaimana, and Pumbaa. We bought back family time, traveling, Christmas Day, because we're doing a savings challenge with that, home improvement stay, car maintenance, clothing, and supplies. So supplies is going to be school supplies. Now we have Shri, 1, 2, 3 kids in school. Hallelujah, hallelujah. So clothes and school supplies, we're going to go ahead and start saving for that. Here in Florida, they start school in August, so we don't have that much time. So we're going to try to beef that up as much as possible. 1 month ahead, this is a new fund. I want to start putting in 1 month ahead of all of our bills so that we can start using a credit card, getting points towards travel and anything that we spend, and then be able to stuff that money, then pay it for the next month ahead. So that's going to be getting us a substantial amount of money. And going forward, you'll see the envelopes that I had talked about with me stuffing the bills. With me stuffing the bills for the next month ahead to be able to pay the credit card and get the points and yada, yada, yada. So I'm going to fast forward you guys, and I'll put all these amounts in, then we'll come back and we'll do the mathematics down here. Hold on. So one thing that I did forget to mention is that I'm going to be double stuffing these. Totally forgot about that key important detail. So I'm going to be double stuffing these, and then we'll see what I'm going to be stuffing for the second portion of the month. But for right now, we have the funds, so let's try to beef it up. And if we're not able to stuff it next paycheck, then we've stuffed it for the month. But if we're able to stuff it for next paycheck, then kudos to us. We got one extra stuffing in the sinking funds. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna have to clear over Liable and put these in. All right, I think I'm gonna fast forward you guys on this one. Be back. All right. $2,360 is going to be going into our $2,360 is going to be going into our sinking funds this go round. So let's bring back the $3,519.68. We're going to subtract that from $2,360, and we're left with $1,159.68. All right. Let's move on to some savings challenges. When I scratched off, I think I'm a week behind. I do not know. I think some people are on week 10. When I saw Jasmine's last video, she was on week 9. So I don't know. I'm gonna try to catch up next stuffing. But for right now, we're gonna be doing $17. That's gonna go to Save with Batty, and then for our 50 envelope challenge, we're going to put in 100. And then for our 100 envelope challenge, because we are really trying to finish this, we're putting in $835. So let's add that 17 plus 100 plus 835. That gives us a total of $952 that's going to savings challenges. Well, a couple of the savings challenges, which is amazing. So let's clear all reliable. And let's see, we have $1,159.68. We're going to subtract our savings, which is $952. And we are left with $207.68, y'all. Okay, checks and balances time. All right. So like I said, this was not a zero-based budget this go round, and anything left over will be left in our checking account for our buffer. Alrighty. Oh, I'm so sorry, you guys. I don't know where that came from. It's morning time. Income. Our whole income was $6,778.47. Our cash envelopes came out to $1,350. Our savings came out to $952. And our bills this go round. Oh, wait. I put that in the wrong thing. $952 goes in savings. Sinking funds was $2,360. And then our bills came out to $1,908.79. I be messing up, but it's all right. It's all right. We're gonna scratch that out and we're gonna keep moving, right? So if all goes well, we should end up with $207.68. So let's add, subtract, and do what we need to do. Let's do the math. So math be mathing right here. Hold on. Why I said hold on. Usually I'll do a segment of talking and content, and then I will pause the video to start another section of the video. I don't know, maybe I need to figure out how to do a full video without having to pause. I guess when I upload to Canva, it doesn't upload a certain amount of gigabytes or megabytes or whatever bytes it is. But all right, let's keep going. 6,778.47. That's our income. Subtracting our cash envelopes, which is $1,350. Subtracting our sinking funds, which is $2,360. Subtracting our savings, $952. And subtracting our bills, which is $1,908.79. So our math was working this go round, and we do have a leftover balance of $207.68 to $768, which is going to be staying in our buffer. But what I want to point out for you guys here is, y'all, we are stuffing the biggest amount I have ever stuffed on Stay Calm in the Budget. $4,869. Like, stop playing. That is a lot of money, y'all. A lot of shmoney. So let's stuff this money in these savings challenges, in our cash envelopes, in our sinking funds, and let's just be great. Until next time, if I can do this, you guys can. I love you. I believe in you. Keep it moving, keep it going, keep it growing. Until we stuff this money, I shall see you guys next time. Bye.